What's up guys, Evan here at Muscle Car Central, back at you with another Tech Tuesday. Today we're talking interior paint and dye. We get tons of questions every day on the difference between our interior paint and our interior dye. So today we're going to cover both bases. We're going to make sure we get you exactly what you need for your interior. So first we're going to start with our interior dye. Now this is going to be used from everything from door panels, dash pad, console, seat covers, anything, vinyl, hard plastic. This is what you're going to want to go with right here. Our friends over at MCI produce a fine quality dye that includes an adhesion promoter within the paint. Now, if that's not enough for some of your more wear and tear items in the car, say like kick panels, you're going to want to use this adhesion promoter to make sure that you get that paint on there and that it stays on there. Now, a perfect example of when you need to use this dye is when you run into, say, second generation rear side panels, or second generation rear sail panels, or even first generation seat hinge covers. We may not always have the exact color that you want. That's where this dye comes in handy. This plastic right here and this dye go together like bread and butter. Now we offer a wide variety of colors for our interior pieces, but if we don't have the exact one you're looking for, that's when we recommend you purchase a white interior piece so it can be easily dyed to whatever color that you desire. So we've got you covered on all your hard plastics and your soft materials in your interior. That's where this dye is going to come in. Now what's left? Metal. Say like a glove box door on a first gen, for example. MCI's got you covered with their acrylic lacquer paint. It's designed to adhere to those metals like no other. Now we've covered all our paint options here today, but remember, before you start painting, make sure that you clean and prep your surfaces properly, and always make sure you follow the instructions and give that paint plenty of time to dry. It's also important to remember that the final shade of color that you're going to come up with is going to vary based on what material that you are painting or dyeing. That's it for our interior paint. Remember, these are good for Camaro, Firebird, Chevelle, and Nova. Let us know what you want to see next Tech Tuesday. Make sure you check us out at CamaroCentral.com, FirebirdCentral.com, and MuscleCarCentral.com. Drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and as always, every part you see in this video will be down in the description below.